an Alaskan town abandoned overnight because of a monster. For decades, the remote cannery town of Portlock, Alaska, seemed like any other rugged fishing settlement. But behind the daily work of canning salmon, locals whispered of something stalking the forests. The native Sugpiaq people called it Nantiinaq, a massive, hairy, half-man, half-beast that killed without mercy. Hunters would vanish, only to be found torn apart, their bodies mangled beyond recognition. Others never returned at all. By the 1930s and 40s, reports of strange tracks in the snow became common. The footprints were huge, far larger than a man's, and often trailed into the mountains where no hunter dared follow. Stories spread of eerie noises echoing through the valley. Screams, roars, and the sound of trees crashing down as if something enormous moved through the woods. Then came the disappearances. Men who went out logging never returned. Others were discovered dead, their injuries too brutal to be caused by any known bear. Workers began to flee the town, saying it was cursed, and even the local native population refused to stay overnight. The fear grew so intense that by the late 1940s, Portlock was abandoned completely. Homes, a school, and the cannery were left to rot, reclaimed by the wilderness. To this day, the site remains empty. A modern ghost town. Fishermen passing through still report hearing inhuman cries from the mountains, and some swear that shadowy figures watch them from the tree line. Whether it was a rogue bear, a hidden serial killer, or a creature unknown to science, something drove an entire town into silence. Portlock remains one of Alaska's greatest unsolved mysteries, a place where no one dares to live.